Okay, this is Tramp and he's 19, Gypsy Cop, and I'm just going to show you the technique I would use for checking for tension and releasing it underneath the hip bones. So we've got the hip bone there going across at about a 45-degree angle on the tubercocci there, and if we go forward underneath the hip bone and just have the thumbs together and do a little kneading movement which will show up any tension. So we get a reaction from the horse and we're getting a little bit of a tension there, so we'll just stay on that area, connecting with that trigger point, connecting with that tension, and just stay there for 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. And if a horse lifts its leg, that's fine, because you can get in a little bit deeper then. And then release the pressure and work again underneath the hip bones, going up towards the bone. And then if you find a little knot, just stay on there and keep the tension on there. And only go deeper if the horse lets you, like it's taking this pressure off then. So that's perfect then, and you can get nice and deep in there. And you just finish off with the palm of your hand, just warm the area off. And that's good.